Hi, it's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. And what we'll talk about today is a patient of mine named John. Let's take a look at John. He started out with what would be categorized as a Norwood 5 anterior, 5A. He has sort of wavy, light brown, blonde hair, a little gray. A 55-year-old guy in good health, motivated to essentially look as good as he feels. What motivated you? Why did you decide you wanted to transplant in the first place?
It was receding at a fairly fast pace, and I didn't like the way it looked. The recession sort of made me look older from my perspective, so I wanted to fix that.
We did the linear, the FUT transplant, because you weren't planning to shave your head. I'll show you. I'll do a really close-up comb through in the back. You mentioned this is 3 weeks out from a haircut. I can't even see anything. I'm looking.
Yeah, I've had it cut fairly short, and not one person has noticed the scar.
His comment 1 year after his procedure is he got to where he wanted to get to. Had a real nice result, and I think the best part is it's totally natural appearing. Gives him a greater degree of confidence. Thank you. If you have any concerns, you want to reach out with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut.